Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss numerical based on chapter work and time. So let's see the numericals that comes in your examination. Okay, now this type of question is a bit different and the one which you can do. The one which you can do, very simple one. Now in such type of question there is fraction 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4 and it is 1 by 8. So you have to think a number that can be divided by its fraction. So 4 and 8. So I can get a number that can be divided by 4 and 8, that is 24, which can be divided. Always try to find a number which will be available with reference to denominator in fraction type of question. Okay, so you have to think a number which can be divided by 4 and 8. So such number that comes to my mind is 24. What that means, that a person can complete 24 pages. A person have to write 24 pages, right? 24 pages. Okay, so A can complete 3/4 of the work in 12 days. So if I divide 24 into 4 parts, so it comes out to be one part come out to be 6 pages, and A can complete 3/4. What that means? 3/4 means 3 part out of 4 part. So if he can write 6 pages, 6 pages is one part, so 3 part equivalent to 18 pages. So A have to write 18 pages. है ना? A can write 18 pages in how many days? 12 days. 12 days. So in one day, how many pages he is writing? He is writing 1.5 pages. Right? He is writing 1.5 pages in a day. In how many days he would take to complete 1/8 of the work? So if 24 pages is the work that he have to do. If I divide it by 8, then how many pages it is? That how many pages it comes? It comes out to be 3 pages, right? 3 pages, right? So 3 pages is 1/8 of the actual work. 1/8 is the 3 pages is 1/8 of the 24. So 3 pages he have to write. 1.5 pages he write in a day. So in how many days he can complete this work? He will take 2 days, because in one day he write 1.5 pages. So in 2 days he can write 3 pages. So the answer is 2 days. So here is a question that is in front of us, that if 10% can complete 2/5 of work in 8 days, then find out the number of person required to complete the remaining work in 12 days. Okay. So you know that 10%, okay, they had already done 2/5 of work. So how much is remaining now? So if you see, 5 by 5 was the entire work and 2/5 is done. So the denominator is same, right? Denominator is same. So you can directly equate. So 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5, this comes out to what? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 work is remaining. So this 3 by 5 work is remaining, and this can be done in how much days? 8 days. Means they already completed this in 8 days. We have to find out for 12 days. So this 3 by 5 fifth work we have to find out, which is going to be completed by a number of people, right? This is the remaining work, right? And how much is completed already? 2/5 is completed, right? Into the number of days, 12. So from this you can find out, from this comes out to be 2 into 6, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 into 8, that comes out to be 48, right? 2 into 3, that's 6. 6 into 8, that comes out to be 48. 48 equal to P into 24 by 5, right? So this can be cancelled. 2 into 5, that is equivalent to 10. So 10 more people required, 10 people are required to finish this remaining work in 12 days. Okay. So what we did, just we will recall, 10% completed 2/5, right? So the remaining work, how much was remaining? 3/5 was remaining. This 3/5 will be done by what? The remaining people. So this remaining people will do what? 3/5 of the work. and the work that was done by those previous people, at what speed we know, 10 people at 8. So this how we are going to find that this 3/5 work will be equated to these people who are doing this, right? In by this much efficiency, 10 people and 8 days efficiency, they are, in how much days they are going to complete this 3/5 work. So number of people we know, we have to calculate 2/5 work already done, and 12 days they told. So after solving this, you will come to know and you will find that the number of people that are required to complete this work is how much? 10. Okay. This how you need to solve this type of question. Okay, here is a question in front of you. There are three people A, B, C. They can do a particular days. They can do a particular job in 12, 16, and 20 days respectively. They get 240 rupees for their job. What is the share of A? So similar type of question A, but here the money angle comes, so you need to be little careful. B, how many days? 16 days. And C, can do the same work in 20 days. So together you have to think a number that can be divided by all three. So the number that comes to my mind is 240. 240, right? What that implement? A can write 20 pages in a day. B can write B can write 10 pages. C can write 12 pages in a day. So total how many pages they are writing? 35, 47 pages, right? So 47 is the total pages that are written, right? Now, what is asked in the question? What is A share? So A write how many pages? 20 pages out of 47 pages, right? So we have to multiply this. So how many rupees they are getting? 240. But how much is what is A work efficiency, or how many pages is writing out of those total? Is writing uh, 20 pages out of those 240 pages. So now the calculation part. So you see 240 into 20 divided by 47. That that comes out to be that comes out to be A share, which is 103 rupees, or 102 point something, comes 102 point something, 0.12. So it's 103 rupees that A is getting. Don't worry if the option is not there. You can mark the nearest option by saying the above answers. Every time it won't be like you will be getting exact number, right? So sometime you have to see the nearest number and you have to mark it. Okay, so this is the money type question that comes to your examination. Okay, here is the next question. Here is next question in front of you. So it is called that Sita can finish the work in 6 days, working 5 hours a day. Geeta can finish the same work in 15 days, working 3 hours in a day. In how many days they finish the work if they work together at 3 hours in a day? So here Sita, here is Geeta. Sita works for 6 days, working 5 hours. So 6 days she work, and how many hours she work? 5 hours. So how many hours she actually worked? 30 hours she worked. Okay. And similarly, Geeta, 15 days for 3 hours. So 3 into 15. How many hours she worked? Geeta worked 45 hours. Complete the same work. Now you have to think a number that can be divided by both. So 90 is the number that comes to my mind. So every hour Sita can write 3 pages, Geeta can write 2 pages. Total how many pages they are writing? 5 pages they are writing in an hour. In an hour they are writing 5 pages. But it is said that they work together at 3 hours per day. So if they are writing 5 pages in 1 hour, so in 3 hours how many pages they wrote? 15 pages they wrote. 15 pages they wrote, and it is asked in how many days they can complete those 90 pages. 15 pages if they write in one day, working 3 hours. So in how many days they can write those 90 pages? 90 by 15 comes out to be 6 days. 6 days is the right answer. Okay. Okay, this is the second kind of question which comes to your examination. 140 men were employed to finish a certain work in 18 days. After 50 days, 10 more men were engaged at the work. Then in how many days before the work will be finished? Okay, simple one, nothing to worry. 140 men, okay, they are deployed to do a work uh, in 80 days. After 50 days, 10 more people add. So that means for 50 days, the work has done. Out of 80 days, 50 days work had already done. So how many work is remaining? 30 days work is remaining, right? So 30 days work is remaining. 140 men can complete those remaining work in 30 days. But now what is happening? 10 more person come. So instead of 140, 150 people came to do the work. And now how many days is required to finish the work? This can be cut, this can be cut. This comes out to be 1, this comes out to be 5. So 140 by 5, when you do, this comes out to be, this comes out to be 28 days. So in 28 days, they can finish the work. So this question was came to your GATE examination. So in 28 days, they can finish the work, which was about to finish in 30 days. But because 10 more men joined, this work can be finished in 28 days. And it is asked then in how many days before the work can be finished. So 2 days before. Actually, it was in 30 days it's about to finish, but 2 days before work was finished. Okay. Thank you.